Well, hello loves. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today, with it being Valentine's Day, I just want to show you some touches of Valentine's in my kitchen. Starting off with my kitchen nook. Now, if you've missed it, please go check out the refresh of my kitchen nook. But right now I just have this simply set, no settings, but just wanted to give that hint of Valentine's Day with my runner that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, I think last year. I always shop after the season. And here is my centerpiece that I made myself, and I have these gold hearts that I picked up this year from Hobby Lobby. They come in a set of 3. Now let me take you into my kitchen. Over by the sink area, guys, you know I have to have a new tea towel or a kitchen towel along with my Mrs. Meyer's products by the sink. I picked up this kitchen towel from Hobby Lobby. Something new in my kitchen, I finally found my chandelier to go over my kitchen sink. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, I have to bring bling to it, right? Guys, I found this at Home Depot. This is a new product in Home Depot. Walked in there and just decided to look, and they had this in there. I said then, that's the one. Let me take you over in the corner here. Over in the corner of my kitchen, I like to have little treats. I don't like to have too much because I really shouldn't be eating these right now. Because I'm watching what I eat, but this is gonna be a special day, so why not have a cookie or 2. But I have my cookies in these little dessert pedestals, and my family can enjoy these. And then I have this love picture that I've had for a couple of years now that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And then I have a container, a apothecary jar sitting next to it, just filled with peppermints, red and white. No chocolates this time. Now guess what, guys? I did change my coffee station. I had it pink, red, and white, but I wasn't feeling the pink. So I went to Dollar Tree and bought the love sign from Dollar Tree, $1. And they also have this sign with painted in white with the red letters. But I wanted the red with the white. Put some Valentine's Day straws in my straw holder, and I removed the dome, the donuts, because I don't need them right now. And this usually sits by my sink. I just moved this pitcher here with my hydrangeas. Probably gonna change them out too into red. We'll see, some red roses to give it a change. But, place the pitcher here. Have my spoon rest here and my spoon. My carousel is filled with coffee here, and of course my Keurig, my red Keurig. Love this look so much better. And right here, I'm just going to share this little corner because it does have the word heart in it, but no Valentine's Day decor. This sign was sent to me by my girl Christy C, and I moved it over here since we put the chandelier over my kitchen sink. The kitchen is the heart of the home. And Christy sent me those pictures as well. But I had a subscriber, also a family member, Denise Harden. She sent me these chefs, and I've placed them on these shelves here, and I love them so much. They are so cute and fit right in with my kitchen. And as far as my island, not overdoing it, but I placed a white tray with some red roses and 2 candlesticks with red tapered candles and that little love sign that we all love from the Dollar Tree. Keeping it very simple. Well, that is the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to push that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Love you guys.